Hello my dear students, today we shall discuss on the determination of equilibrium of national income. In the short period, the equilibrium level of national income depends on the equality between the total incomes and total expenditures. So we can say wherever we find the equality between the total expenditures and total income, we find the equilibrium level of national income. So the following equation is satisfied at the position of equilibrium level of national income. Y is equal to total expenditures or aggregate expenditures. Total expenditure is also known as aggregate expenditure. Wherever we find the equality between the total income and total expenditure, we find the equilibrium level of national income. Equilibrium level of national income. This factor must be kept in your mind. Another important thing involved under this topic, the aggregate expenditure has been divided into three parts, mainly three parts. What are the mainly three parts? May be easily written as follows. Aggregate expenditures may be divided into the many three parts. First one, C. C stands for consumption expenditure. Second one is I. I stands for investment expenditure. And third one is G. G stands for government expenditure. So in this way, whenever we get the summation of all these three things, we find the aggregate expenditure just like it. Equationally, it may be shown as follows. Aggregate expenditure is equal to C plus I plus G. The summation of consumption expenditures and investment expenditure and government expenditure is known as aggregate expenditure. We have already informed you all wherever you find the equality between the total income and aggregate expenditure, we find the equilibrium level of national income. Therefore, this equation may be easily written as follows. Y is equal to aggregate expenditure. Because here Y stands for total income or level of income. Aggregate expenditure, we have already told you, it has been divided into the three parts. Therefore, we can replace here in the place of E, C plus I plus G may be replaced in the place of AE, aggregate expenditure. Then equation will be Y is equal to C plus I plus G. Now, C stands for the consumption expenditure, which shows the consumption function. Because the consumption expenditure is the function of the income, the consumption function may be shown with the help of the following equation. C is equal to A plus B Y. Here Y stands for level of income, B stands for MPC, marginal propensity to consume, and small a stands for minimum level of consumption. So now here the aggregate consumption expenditure, C stands for consumption function. Now we have shown here consumption function with the help of this equation. Now you should be cautious in this regard that if you are going to adjust the tax amount also, then this equation would be changed and would be written as follows. Because we are going to adjust the tax amount also, then this equation will be as C is equal to A plus B into Y minus T. T stands for taxes. Now we have deducted the taxes from the income level. Now it is a C. C is equal to A plus B into Y minus T. Therefore, in order to obtain the equilibrium level of national income, we can easily replace A plus B into Y minus T in the place of C. Today I want to discuss on the equilibrium level of national income in closed economy only. We have taken the example of closed economy only. Therefore, we are going to determine the equilibrium level of national income in the closed economy. But equilibrium level of national income in the open economy will be discussed later on. But today we shall discuss on the determination of equilibrium level of national income in closed economy only. Now, in order to find the equilibrium level of national income, my equation will be y is equal to, now you can easily replace A plus B into Y minus T in the place of C. Then equation will be y is equal to, replace A in the place of C, then small a plus B into Y minus T, then plus I stands for investment expenditure, plus G stands for government expenditure. So now we can easily find the equilibrium level of national income with the help of this equation given here. Now you suppose A stands for minimum level of consumption. Suppose minimum level of consumption A is rupees 1000 crores. Suppose B stands for marginal propensity to consume. Assume B is 0.80. We are also going to assume the I stands for investment expenditure is equal to rupees 100 crores. Assume G stands for government expenditure is equal to rupees 50 crores. T and then T stands for taxes. We assume taxes are rupees 10 crores. So on the basis of this information, we can easily determine the equilibrium level of national income with the help of this equation. Now we have to replace the respective value in this equation. We have to replace this value at appropriate place only. Then after, by calculating, we can easily determine the equilibrium level of national income. Y is equal to, what is the minimum level of consumption? That is 1000. Replace here 1000. B stands for marginal propensity to consume, MPC. What is the MPC? 0.80. Next, under the bracket, Y is the indicator of level of income. It will remain same, Y, which is to be calculated, minus T stands for taxes. What is the taxes amount? That is rupees 10 crores. Replace it 10 plus